This is America.
Hiç anlamazsın ki lan.
I don't understand.
Biliyorum.
Please explain.
I don't want to.
There may be other languages here. But you have to learn English.
A. Apple. B. Bear. C. Cub.
Let's try circumstances. C. Cats. You're in America. Speak English. You remember English is the language here.
Hello, this is New York.
Don't you get it? You have to speak American. What are you saying?
Вы заблудились? Вам нужно помочь? Алло, вам нужно помочь? Скажите, что-то случилось?
These are the states, the United States of America. How are you gonna go on a job interview? How are you gonna buy groceries at the store? How are you gonna get a haircut? How are you gonna talk to anyone? How are you gonna meet a nice lady? You see, you have to learn English.